कहो तो अच्छा, ना हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा. If things happen according to how you wish, that's good. But if they don't, that's even better. I keep quoting my father all the time, and I'm sure I've done this millions of times. One of the first things he taught me was, man kaho to अच्छा, ना हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा. If things happen according to how you wish, that's good. But if they don't, that's even better. And I could never understand that. And when I asked him, he said, if they're not happening according to your wish, they're happening according to the wish of some divine force. And that divine force will never think ill about you. So you have to respect that as being better. So if things worked, I said, fine. If they didn't, I felt that there was some kind of divine force or divinity that didn't want me to do that. And perhaps wait for another opportunity. The other thing he told me was, when I was struggling a lot in those times, I said, बड़ा संघर्ष है जीवन में. So he said, जब तक जीवन है तब तक संघर्ष है. I used to tell him, life is a struggle. And he used to say, so long as there is life, there is going to be struggle. I think if we accept this factor, that your life is never going to be easy. Something or the other is going to happen. So rather than sit in some kind of despondency on that, and be aware that tomorrow is another challenge, is another day, which could turn out to be profitable, which may not, but eventually there will be another day when you can start trying all over again. In the back of my mind, there will be those ugly moments that plagued me, and the fear of them recurring again is perhaps what drives me every day.